Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. So today I'm gonna check out this smart strip light, and this is from Vont. And click disclaimer, Vont this send me this product to unbox and review. So basically it's a light strip. I'm going to unbox it to so you guys see what's inside, and basically I'm gonna install this under my bed. I've been wanting to do one of these light under my bed right here, like a light strip. Now Vont did send me this product, so I was figuring out where to put it, and I said let's put it under my bed to see how well this works. This is basically a 16.4 feet, so this is not very much long, so I think it can hold under there. So you have music mode, die mode, scene mode, 16 million colors, wow, timer, brightness control, smart color, and it's cuttable, so you can basically join. So I'm gonna just unbox it to let you guys see what's inside, and the link for this guys is gonna be in the description, so please you can check the description box to see this product right here. So just a quick unboxing guys. So this is right here is the light strip, so you guys can see right here. There's more. Okay, so right here we have this is like the remote control, and this have the plug in where you can plug onto the light strip, and this is for the light strip right here. So that's it in the package. This is a power adapter right here, as you can see, and this power adapter right here can plug right into this remote control. So in the box right here we have some little pieces. So these basically some fittings that you can put it into place if you want to use these. I see some screw right here, that means you can also screw it up, so it can be for permanent use. What else in the package right here? And these some other little things from Vont. Thanks for your purchase. Right, so let's get back into the great stuff right here. This is the light strip, so I'm going to try it out to see if it's basically working. Now before I try it out guys, you can download the app from App Store, and it is on Google Play Store and Apple Play Store. So basically you can control this by using apps. So all you have to do is to scan this code right here and basically use it to control it. So that's basically a great feature. So it means that this can also be used with Bluetooth as well. So I will get to that at a later time. And there you have it guys, this is basically working. I'm not going to try this out for very long because it can cause damage onto this by having it like that. So I'm just gonna turn it off to let you guys see that this is working. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to install it under my bed strip right here, go right around onto this part right here, and I'm going to also carry it around onto this side, so you guys are going to see the outcome of that. So in terms of the installation of these strip, all of those peel off this tape right here, this tape looking thing, and paste it. So for the installation of these is not that hard to install. All you have to do is take off this tape and paste it wherever you want to paste it. So I'm going to do that right now to install it. Alright guys, so I've done the installation, and that's how it is looking so far. So as you guys can see, there's some bit of light glowing under the bed right there. I'm just going to tidy up this card by the little strip that I showed you earlier. So this right here is the remote control, and you can switch different mode with it, different light. I can choose different mode right here. So as you guys can see, it's a bit glowing right now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys the app on the phone and how you work it using the app. So you can change in different mode by using the light right here. So that's how it is being installed guys, right under the bed right there. So that's how it's looking under the hood. Right, so that's pretty neat, right? So it gives off a great effect, as you guys can see right there, looking lovely. And as I turn on my room light, my ceiling light right there, it doing some bit of reflection same way, looking pretty good. So that's it for now. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to scan this to download the app from the Apple Store and to see how it works with the app right here. Now I'm going to open the app right now, guys. Hello. Okay. So this is the device right here. Welcome to VIA VONT Home. So what I'm going to do right now, let's see if I can add something. If I can add a device, and I may need to create an account. So on the VIA home page, as you can see right here, you can control the brightness, you can control the mood, music, color, scene, dye, all those things. So you can basically change the color by using this right here to select a wide range of colors, and you can also move it to anywhere that you want it. And you can also have the mode, you can also have the scene, different type of scene that you want right here. So it's a more relaxed scene, bright, vivid, right? So there are different type of things that you can do with the phone right here. So guys, there you have it. This is the font LED light strip well installed, and that's how it looks. So thank you guys for watching. This video was helpful. Please remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and also check the link in the description, guys, if you want to check out this product. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I see you guys in my next video. Peace out.